anniversary of the Bosco we are celebrating. So we know Saint John Bosco is not with us today, but we believe that he is in heaven interceding for us. So now we have a floral tribute. First, Sir Suhail Debarma, the MDC of Ramchandra Garh constituency and also executive member, Youth and Sports Affairs. Thank you, sir, for showing your respect to our founder, Saint John Bosco. Next, Sir Ranjit Debarma, the guest of honor for today's program, the chairman of West Tripura District Zonal, followed by Ms. Parmita Wyang. Next, Father Joel Eka, the principal of the Bosco Higher Secondary School, Kairoi Mandai. Next, Father Hubert Tarian, the parish priest of Mary Help of Christians Parish, Mandai. Next, Sister Victoria, the newly appointed superior of Don Bosco Auxilium Convent, Mandai. So thank you, dear.
Gracias.